Hey, ever found yourself scrolling through endless financial apps, wondering which one holds the key to your next big purchase? Maybe you're eyeing that new car, dreaming of a home renovation, or perhaps even considering a boat for those weekend getaways. The question buzzing in your mind, amidst this digital sea of lenders, might just be, does Ally Lending have an app? That's exactly what we're diving into today. In a world increasingly managed from the palm of our hands, the convenience of a mobile app can be a game changer, especially when it comes to something as significant as financing. Imagine being able to track your loan progress, make payments, and manage your account all from your smartphone, anytime, anywhere. It's a compelling thought, isn't it? Before we get straight to the answer, let's take a step back and understand who Ally Lending is and why this question about an app even matters. Ally Lending is a brand name of Ally Bank, a well-established financial institution known for its online banking services, auto financing, and, yes, point-of-sale lending. Through Ally Lending, consumers can access financing options for various purchases, often facilitated directly through the merchant or service provider. This means you might encounter Ally Lending when you're at a dealership looking at a new RV, getting a quote for that dream kitchen remodel, or even exploring options for elective medical procedures. The rise of fintech has conditioned us to expect a seamless digital experience in almost every aspect of our lives. From ordering groceries to managing investments, mobile apps have become the norm, offering unparalleled convenience and accessibility. When it comes to financial services, this expectation is even higher. The ability to monitor your financial obligations, make timely payments, and access support through a user-friendly app can significantly enhance the overall experience and provide peace of mind. So, circling back to our main question, does Ally Lending have a dedicated mobile app for managing your loans? Let's find out. A brief pause, perhaps with engaging visuals on screen. After looking into Ally's offerings, it appears that while Ally Bank, the parent company, has a robust mobile banking app for its deposit and auto loan customers, Ally Lending does not currently offer a standalone mobile application specifically designed for managing its point-of-sale loans. Now, this might be a bit surprising for some of you, especially given the digital-first approach of Ally Bank. You might be thinking, wait, Ally has an app for banking and car loans, but not for the lending I might have gotten for my home improvement project? And that's a fair question. It seems that the management of Ally Lending accounts is primarily done through their online portal, accessible via a web browser on your computer or mobile device. While this online portal is likely mobile responsive and designed to offer a good user experience on smaller screens, it's not the same as having a dedicated app installed on your phone. Let's delve a bit deeper into what this means for you as a borrower with Ally Lending. Managing your loan through the online portal. If you have an Ally Lending account, you'll likely be directed to their online portal to manage your loan. Here's what you can typically expect to do through this portal. View your loan details. You should be able to see all the essential information about your loan, including the original loan amount, the outstanding balance, your interest rate, the repayment schedule, and the due dates for your payments. Make payments. A key function of the portal will be the ability to make payments on your loan. This usually includes options to set up recurring payments, make one-time payments, and potentially manage your payment methods. Review statements and documents. You should be able to access and download your loan statements, payment history, and other important documents related to your loan agreement. Contact customer support. The online portal will likely provide you with ways to get in touch with Ally Lending's customer support team, whether through a contact form, email, or potentially even a live chat feature. Update your information. If your contact details or other personal information changes, you should be able to update it through the portal. While the absence of a dedicated app might seem like a drawback to some, a well-designed and mobile-responsive online portal can still offer a significant degree of convenience. You can access it from any device with an internet browser, whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Why might there not be a dedicated app? There could be several reasons why Ally Lending hasn't developed a standalone mobile app. Focus on integration at the point of sale. Ally Lending often operates as a financing option offered directly by merchants. Their primary focus might be on seamlessly integrating their services into the merchant's checkout process, making it easy for customers to apply for and secure financing at the point of purchase. Overlap with Ally Bank's existing app. Since Ally Lending is under the umbrella of Ally Bank, they might be leveraging the existing Ally Bank app for some functionalities or perhaps planning future integration rather than maintaining a separate app for lending specifically. Development and maintenance costs. Developing and maintaining a separate mobile app for Ally Lending would involve significant resources. They might have prioritized other areas of their business or determined that the online portal adequately serves the needs of their lending customers. Specific features and functionality. The specific features required for managing point-of-sale loans might be effectively delivered through a well-optimized web experience, negating the need for a dedicated app. The broader landscape of lending apps. It's worth noting that many other lending institutions do offer mobile apps, and these apps often provide a rich set of features, including real-time loan balance and transaction history, push notifications for payment reminders and account updates, tools for budgeting and financial planning related to the loan, secure in-app messaging with customer support, options for early or additional payments. The convenience of having these features readily accessible on a mobile app is undeniable. It streamlines the process of managing your loan and keeps you informed on the go. What to do if you're an Ally Lending customer? If you are an existing Ally Lending customer and prefer the convenience of a mobile app, here are a few things you can do. Utilize the mobile responsive website. While there isn't a dedicated app, make sure to use the online portal on your mobile browser. Check if the website is mobile-friendly and offers a smooth experience on your device. You can even save a shortcut to the website on your phone's home screen for quick access. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.